Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is Din, and today I'm going to teach you how to cook egg and potato curry. Right, these are the spices we'll need today. We need salt, chili powder, turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, and some paprika, oil, tomato, bay leaves, and garlic and ginger paste, which I make up and freeze into ice cubes, and coriander and a medium onion. First, let's boil some eggs. I've only boiled 3, but this recipe is for 2 people, so by all means boil 4 eggs. Right, let's get started with the onions. Chop the onions up thinly, not too thinly. With that, also the green chilies, and chop the coriander up. With all this, you're going to put in a pot with the garlic and ginger and the oil, and also the bay leaves, and bring it to a boil, and then let it simmer. But while that is doing that, let's put some oil in the saucepan, and with the boiled eggs, after peeling them, you're going to mix them with some turmeric and some salt, about half a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it all up well, just dry, and then we're going to fry the eggs. This is going to give the eggs an extra taste. Do it gently, and sometimes be careful because the eggs do spit. I'm going to put some potatoes, so here's 2 little potatoes. I'm only using, like I say, 3 eggs. This is for 2 people, so you would use 4 eggs or even 6 eggs, depending how many eggs you want. But cook the eggs very gently and keep stirring the onions. The onion should cook like this for about 10 minutes before you add anything else to it. Right, the eggs are nearly ready. Put them to one side now. Right, as you can see, the onions have sweated down a little. Now what we're going to do is add some water to this so that it doesn't burn. We don't want anything burning now. So put some water, probably about half a cup, to basically let it simmer gently for about 25 minutes. Keep stirring after 25 minutes, just to break it down just slightly before we put our spices. Right, we're ready to put our spices. Right, put about a teaspoon of chili powder, that's Kashmiri chili powder. Put a bit more if you like it hot. About 3/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric. About half a teaspoon of cumin. And about a teaspoon of coriander. And half a teaspoon of paprika. That's all the spices we need. Now give that a good stir. Now we're going to add our potatoes as well, just to break it down a little bit, but not too much because this is going to be quite dry. So in goes the potatoes. So just give it a little stir now for maybe 10 seconds or so. Then we're going to add our water. So you can add the water just above the potatoes or a little bit more. Right, we're nearly ready now to add the water. Okay, that should do it. Don't forget the methi leaves. That's about a teaspoon of methi leaves I put in. Now add the water to the level just above the potatoes, because this dish is quite dry, it's not too wet. Once you've given it a good stir, a little bit more maybe, right? That should do it. Then put your eggs in. Bring it to the boil. Turn it right down to low, so it just gently simmers. All you want to do now is cook the potatoes and put the lid on it. It's very important that you have a lid. So basically what you're doing is steaming the potatoes. And that should take about 20 minutes, then it's finished. Enjoy!